Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the remaining null safety features available in Kotlin. So here we'll see about Elvis operator, not null assertion operator, and then safe cast. Now coming to the Elvis operator. Here I have a variable a which is assigned with the value hello, and then for previous example we assigned a with null, and then we are printing the a value. Now we are calculating the length of a and assigning to the length variable. Now I'm going to use the Elvis operator, which is question mark followed by colon. Now I'm going to give the value 0. So here the left hand side of the expression gives null. So the default value which we assign, that is 0, will be assigned to the length. So here we get the value as 0. Now coming to the not null assertion operator. So here I'm using double exclamation mark following a, which asserts that a variable cannot be null. So it is useful to eliminate the null pointer exception. Since we give like this, the a cannot be null, so I remove this line. And now when I try to print, I get the a value, which is hello, and then the length is 5. Now coming to the safe cast operator. Here I have a variable a. I'm going to give a value which is of long type. I declare another variable number, which is again of long type. So I can directly assign a value to the number and print. I get the value. Suppose if the number is of long type and a is of integer type. So in this case, it is asking me to convert number to integer. No, but I want number in long. So when I try to convert the type of a, I get the output as null. Thank you.